teens and also addict to social media see a negative impact on their real life relationship responsibilities. Social media has become a way to connect with people who know shares opinions and events occurring in the world. Some of the most popular social media sites include Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, Google, Ludo King. The list goes and ready to witness the impact on social media and on children's its consequence. I see in all apps are gathered in a chat room. Ha ha ha! I am Facebook. I am American online social media and social networking site and one of the most widely used. Recently, I have lost millions of my users, allowing 87 million third partying to accuse personal data. A person can get me addition to no times. Hackers are not using me, which can retrieve all of the personal data. I can carry on my mission. I share my personal data. Nobody can leave me. Ha ha ha.
I am WhatsApp. I am Supreme Master of the virtual world. I have earned much later than Facebook, but I have been also captured the imagination of the millions of people in the world. By giving them a solution, I have become audition for my followers. My followers can chat and cheat through in WhatsApp.
I am Instagram. I am supreme commune of the world. I was launched as a unique social network platform that I cannot leave me. Ha ha ha.
I am Twitter. I am one of the most visited website and has been described as all internet users. I have more than 30 millions of achievers. I can be addition and omission. You can get easily distracted and find yourself spending hours on conversation. I can easily break your timetable. Ha ha ha.
I am YouTube. I have more than 2 million monthly users who collectively watch 1 million videos each day. I have grown to become one of the 4 most distraction sites in the world. I have been highly criticized. I am addiction to my followers. They are addicted to me.
I am Snapchat. You can post only any photos and videos I am making as description social media. The world millions of people use Snapchat every day. There are a lot of wrong information on the internet. Anyone can post anything and much of it's garbage. You know there are a lot of kids active the followers. Ha ha ha.
I am Google. Everyone knows me. I am there to help the all information of the world. From dictionary research, you can Google find anytime. I have many assistants. Google Assistant, Google Map, Google Pay, Google Photos, etc. But if you accidentally close me, I will close all your tabs.
I am Ludo King. I am the king of games. I am ranked among the top played games on the internet with one of the largest online gaming communities. Ha ha ha. And also voice chat 6 players Ludo, quick Ludo mode tournaments and many other exciting features. Among the top 10 players by downloads, my followers almost children. Ha ha ha.
Whatever guys, you sing in time. I appreciate you. I appreciate you in all the states. Today I am going to invite visual data. You can never ever forget. Visual data, you can never ever service.
We all are your service masters.
Virtual world. Supreme master of virtual world.
Supreme commander vapor world. Supreme head of the web world.
Mark my words, my dear friends. One day bridge ball will dance with my tune. Now let's go to Riya's family.
Sachu, are you there?
Yes, I am here waiting for him to come.
He's already there.
No, he is just landing.
Wait, I shoot them. Ria, they are beside you. Charting on. What, Ria? What are you doing? Chatting on chatting, just wasting your time. I'm not wasting my time, Mom.
Hey, don't scold her. She will manage. She is my daughter.
That's my dad. I'm opening my windows to wall my windows to Diwali. What a stupid one. Again chatting.
Riya's ma'am rank up to Riya's teacher.
I'm going to rank up to your teacher right now and ask your teacher.
State in students. She is moving
Hello?
to right side. Teacher is coming.
Hello, I am Riya's mom. I wanted to know her status in studies.
Is that so?
She is not studying at home,
She is attending all her online classes.
but she is starting on chatting and playing with her mobile.
Don't worry, ma'am. We will take care of her.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
Riya's father and
Ria, they are beside you. What, Ria? What are you doing? Chatting on chatting and just wasting your time. I'm not wasting my time, mom.
Hey, don't scold her. She will manage. She is my daughter.
That's my dad. I'm opening my windows to wall my windows to Diwali. What a stupid one. Again chatting.
Riya's ma'am rank up to Riya's teacher.
I'm going to rank up to your teacher right now and ask your teacher.
State in students.
Hello, I am Riya's mom. I wanted to her status in studies.
Is that so?
She is not studying at home,
She is attending all her online classes.
but she is starting on chatting, playing with her mobile.
Don't worry, ma'am. We will take care of her.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
They Riya's unwantedly posted her photos in social media by mobile looking and crying.
Oh my God, my dirty photos in social media.
She is crying. Facebook entering again.
Ha ha ha. Thank you, my dear girl. I am always grateful. I am also so happy. Now you are the victim of my latest one.
Riya.
Mom,
Crying.
it was spider. No, it was cockroach. Oh no, you really scared me. Go to sleep now.
Facebook entering again.
Ha ha ha.
You again, please don't mind my mistakes.
Your mistake is my life, charming girl. I am always wait for a mistake. When it happens, I make my move slowly, very slowly. Drag into your problems.
You know who am I? I'm a strong girl, but you just behind a wall of screen.
Me, just behind a wall of skin. You silly little girl. Your life is over. So millions of people rap on your images.
All apps are surrounding her.
Mom and Dad.
What happened, child? What happened?
What happened here? Please call doctor.
Hello, doctor. My daughter is suddenly fainted here. It's urgent.
Facebook entering again.
Ha ha ha. My one more victim is sick something among you. I want even mental person like my assistant. Ha ha ha.
Riya's father unwantedly post. He is watching for the doctor.
Doctor, how is my daughter?
Don't worry, sir. She will be all right. Don't worry, sir. She will be all right. Only problem is fear social networking.
Fear?
Yes, she is completely exposed to social networking. Now world is facing same problems. Nowadays, more children have become victim of mobile phone.
How can you help all of this?
Educated children only risk of social networking. Child privacy setting utilized. Cyber bullying resources. Delete extra people from your friends list.
There is so many advantages from social networking, like clearing research dictionary, like pandemic time.
Yes, of course, for living completely social media is not effective in study. So we want to use correct usage of social media.
Thank you, sir.
Don't worry, she will be all right.
Riya's teacher called them.
Hello, is Riya's mom?
Yes,
Why Riya did not attend online class yesterday, ma'am?
She is in hospital.
What happened?
I will give to Riya's father. Speak with him.
hello.
What happened to Riya's?
She is admitted in hospital. Doctor said that she has victim to social networking.
So sad. We have a wellness officer in our school. If you want, I will arrange of our.
Thank you, ma'am. So kind of you.
Welcome, sir.
Riya's father and teacher had a meeting with school counselor.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you. How is she now?
She is good.
Please be seated. Don't worry, sir. She will be right. Nowadays, children are using mobile phones and social media apps on which they communicate throughout the day.
Always I had eye on my daughter.
But that is not enough, sir. Monitoring the browser of your child and taking correct steps is very important. Parents should regularly check their picture chat by online who go to auditor is the biggest drawback of social media. Spending lot of time on social media also brings a lot of problems like stress, anxiety and sleepiness. So you need not worry about your daughter. I will take care of her.
Thank you, sir, for your valiant advice. Take care of my daughter.
Welcome.
So it you or your children are worrying about using social networking. Don't just keep your software updated. Should check.
I promise.
I promise.
We will use.
We will use
Social media.
social media
Very wisely.
very wisely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
గూగుల్లో ఏదో టైప్ చేస్తున్నాం, లేదా గేమ్ ఆడుకోవడం, లేదా యూట్యూబ్లో వీడియో చూడడం, లేదా ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో చాటింగ్, ఫేస్బుక్లో వీడియోస్, వాట్సాప్ గురించి మీకు చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, వీడియో కాల్స్ ఉంటాయి. అదేవిధంగా ట్విట్టర్ అండ్ స్నాప్చాట్లో ఫోటోలు. ఇవి లేకుండా ఫోన్ లేదు, ఫోన్ లేకుండా మనం లేము. సార్ ఖచ్చితంగా వాడుడే లేకుంటే ఎలా ఉంటుంది? వాడచ్చు, కానీ దానికి ఒక లిమిట్ ఇవ్వండి. దయచేసి మారుతున్న కాలంలో చాలామంది పిల్లలకి ఫిట్స్ రావడానికి మెదడులో వచ్చేటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. మా పిల్లలు 496 మందిలో ఒక 8 మంది పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు. బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ మీద రాస్తే కనిపించడం లేదు. ఏం జరిగిందని వాళ్ళ తల్లిదండ్రుల దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే చిన్నప్పుడు కంటిన్యూగా ఫోన్ చూసింది సార్ అని వాళ్ళు చెప్పిన సమాధానం. ఇప్పుడు బోర్డు బ్లాక్ బోర్డు మీద అక్షరాలను గుర్తిస్తలేడు ఆయన. పక్కన ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ అబ్బాయి బుక్లో చూసి రాస్తుండు. మనకు పని ఉంది, 100% పని లేని వాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు. మనకు పని ఉందని చెప్పి ఆ పని ఉన్న టైంలో ఒక గంట సేపు ఫోన్ ఇస్తున్నాం మన పిల్లలకి. ఒక గంట సేపే కన్నయ్య వీడియో చూస్తాను, ఇంకో వీడియో చూస్తాను, ఇంకో వీడియో చూస్తాను. వానికి తెలియనిది ఏం లేదు, టైప్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, చెప్తాడు దాంట్లో. ఇది కాస్త హ్యాబిట్గా మారిపోయింది. నాతో సహా మీరందరూ కూడా దీనిలో మునిగిపోయి ఉన్నాం. ఇది ఒక డ్రగ్, ఇది ఒక అడిక్ట్. దీనికి అడిక్ట్ అయినామంటే లైఫ్లో చాలా కోల్పోవాల్సి వస్తుంది, హెడేక్ వస్తుంది. మనకు కాదు, మనది ఇట్లాగో అయిపోయింది. మన నెక్స్ట్ మన పిల్లలకు కూడా వీడికి దగ్గరికి రాకుండా. సార్ ఇవన్నీ వేరే వాళ్ళు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఇవి యూజ్ చేస్తే గొప్ప వాళ్ళు కారండి. ఇవి లేకుండా కూడా జాబ్స్ చేయొచ్చు. వీటితో జాబ్స్ ఏం డిపెండ్ అయ్యి లేవు. స్నాప్చాట్లో ఫోటోలు దిగాలి, ఫేస్బుక్లో చేయాలి, వాట్సాప్లో వీడియో. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆర్ టోటల్ ట్రాష్ అప్లికేషన్ అండ్ థర్డ్ కేటగిరీ అప్లికేషన్స్. ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి. ఎంఎస్ వర్డ్ ఉంది, ఎంఎస్ ఎక్సెల్ ఉంది, ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి చేయాలనుకుంటే. నాతో పాటు నేను చెప్తున్నాను, నాతో పాటు ఈ ఫోనుకు కొంచెం దూరంగా ఉండండి, మీ పిల్లల్ని దూరంగా ఉంచండి దయచేసి. మీకు అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. మన అవసరాల కోసం మనకు పని ఉందని మనం బిజీగా ఉన్నామని పిల్లలకు ఫోన్ ఇచ్చుడు అలవాటు చేయకండి. అది కాస్త అలవాటుగా మారిపోయి వాళ్ళని ఫ్యూచర్లో ఎటు కాకుండా చేయకండి దయచేసి. ఓకే, అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.